How to join a private Reddit community. Hello and welcome to Tech It's Simple. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can join a private Reddit community. For that, open any browser on your device and in the search bar, type reddit.com. Then, press enter to browse it. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the interface. At the top, you will find the search bar. Here, you can type the name of the private community you want to join. If, in case, you don't know the name of the community, you can type this specific keyword in the search bar, r/finder Reddit SL, private. Then, press enter to browse. Here, you can select the communities, and then you will find all the private communities. Here, find the one you would like to join. Click on the username to visit the profile page. Once you reach this page, here at the right, you will find a join button. Click on this join, and you will be able to join this private community. Also, keep in mind that there are certain rules in every community. You must not violate any of them, otherwise, you will be banned. Now, if in case you don't find this join button, you'll have to send a request via private message to that community so that you can join that community. For that, click on the bell icon just ahead of your avatar. Click on Messages. You'll be taken to a new interface. Once you reach this interface, click on Send a private message. In the second box, you will have to type the username of the community you want to join. At the subject, you will need to write Request to join the group. Click on the small box to verify you're not a robot, and then click on the same box. Now, a request to join the private community will be sent to this specific community. It's up to them to decide whether or not you'll be able to join the group. So, in this way, you can join a private community on Reddit. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more useful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.